So guys, you won't believe what.
We'll believe you, bro. What happened? We believe in you.
साले वीडियो में बनाते हैं तो इसे.
Someone bombed this YouTube, bro.
So
Someone bombed this guy's YouTube.
who?
Someone bombed this guy's YouTube.
Make me famous, then I'll stop vlogging. Okay, this guy is a little bit stressed because he thought how to.
I'm not stressed, it's just confused.
Yeah, he was confused because he don't know how to proceed, but he forgot the one thing of vibe coding.
Leaving everything to AI.
No,
Yes, that's what you just did.
I mean your ChatGPT didn't give you the required things which you were looking for, right?
It did, but it's not matching those guys' output.
But once we came to another ChatGPT model, it started correlating.
Because
It was already pre-trained.
I don't know.
This is-
what are they doing, bro?
I don't know what they are doing.
Oh, this
Okay,
is
okay.
bad.
Yeah. So we just had a photo. So okay, let's
Photo
back to
shoot
the
up.
statement.
Photo shoot army.
Okay, so this AI's model didn't predicted well because the buy gave only few things.
Nah. It gave me things I needed, but it wasn't correlating with them.
Yeah. So what we did a structured one with
This is amazing, bro. I'm telling you, this is like
Bro, I trained this. It took me 2 years to train this.
account they just say my to
Huh?
name there.
I won't give you. So after few back and forth, we got a powerful and the prompt which we required, and we are using the world's most powerful tool which ever exists. You heard me right. It's the Cloud Opus 4.6 and 4.5. These models which created the whole compilers Linux from scratch, and you think this small task will be heavy for them? Hell no.
3GS use करना है क्या?
Huh?
3GS use करना है?
3GS.
We'll do it later if you want, but
Vue.js.
3D करना चाहते हैं साला.
हell ना.
3D.
नहीं.
क्या कहाँ पे डालेगा 3D?
क्या पे ग्राफिक्स विजुअलाइजेशन में काम आएगा 3D
Bro, 2D graphics enough है.
I mean, yeah, 2D graphics also enough.
2D में 3D दिखा सकता हूँ मैं.
Before that, I asked the same shit. Why do 3D graphs? But तुमने shit on this.
I'll send you something.
That's the reason mathematics was invented, so that you can't do all those shit.
No, fuck Einstein, bro. You think I care about this? Not.
Einstein never created 3D.
Bro.
It's Euclid.
That's science, not math.
Science is not brain is not brainy. Fuck it.
This guy is having a value dosage now.
Nah, hallucination, bro. That's like
So what?
Valorant ఆడట్లే అని చెప్పి ఓవర్ డోస్ అయింది అది.
Yeah. So one value match can fix this mentality. So. What happened? You thought I wasn't recording.
I was hoping you would not.
So the guys application is up and running, and apart from Neo4j, everything is up and working, and shell like few more OSINT tools aren't working. I haven't installed that, but once I install that, Sherlock service and whole he will start working. This is how we got. Okay, this is how we got in Postman. Actually, I don't have Postman in mind, so we use this, and I'm running this through an Nginx server so that he can access. Okay.
and stats responsible for all now. May Mac users burn in hell.
What do you want?
Why is it rupee? अरे काले पर
No, not control, it's option. Okay, I'll go and fix more bugs.
just clutched. This
Wait,
guy
wait,
just
wait.
clutched. This guy clutched so hard right now.
It isn't even recording, I guess.
It is recording, dumbass. Bol now.
So we just had a mock evaluation and judges came and it was pretty impressive and they asked one point which hooked us to the net. But a guy from the committee saved us. And you know who is he? He runs 90% of the internet. Yes.
Linus Torvalds.
He is none other than Linux Torvald, the guy who created Linux and made open source. We used him as a reference to showcase how protected our database is.
We don't have a data.
If you don't have anything to hide, if everything is publicly, there is no fear of getting hacked. That's the motto. And don't forget, even Luffy mentioned it. If you don't have a plan,
Yeah, no, I'm not
no
a
one
big
can
fan. I'm
begin.
not a big One Piece fan anyway. Okay, Gandu.
Manas, this
Any words?
Any words? I have no words, bro. Uttak, zoom mat kar.
अरे నేను అది నా మోటో స్టోరీని పెట్టిన స్టోరీ అంట దీని బయోలో
Any words?
for what
How was the evaluation?
I didn't speak shit so it was good.
Good job on the front end though.
Thanks.
कहाँ पे?
I'll fix it now. Wait. Loading.
Barometer now.
Loading since an hour.
12 minutes अंत से नहीं रहा. Loading I think.
Loading items. So just
I can just check it here. That's the notch.
I was pretty good on the tech stack explanation. I know.
You forgot the tech stack.
What do you mean I forgot tech stack?
You
I was
forgot
clear.
the tech
I
stack.
was clear. Fuck off. What do you mean? Where did I fuck up?
Who mentioned the fast API? Python?
He didn't ask for that shit. He was like, "What tools did you use?" He was like, "Fine, use that." He knows Python fastly. Everyone will use, bro.
He asked the tech stack, bro, for tools.
I mentioned it.
You didn't.
I said, "You want the tech stack?" I said Python. I turned it out. Don't even.
You won't believe what we did. This one is up and running. The graphs is working. Neo4j has been fixed. It took us 4 hours to fix it. But what do I say? It's working at last. This guy, this guy completed the whole front end.
Not me only. Even that guy also helped.
These 4 guys completed the front end. Fix the backend issues. No more errors. All we need to do is just refining it as I can help, because everything works. The get post, each API call is working with each and everything is working, and ngrok is also up and running, so that we can make it like access to different computers. And so it's working very well and good. I just need to now what I'll do is just let this, so from 3 hours, so last 2 hours, I mean 5 hours, I was juggling in between Safari and Visual Studio Code.
नीचे रखना मैम देखने तो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है तुमको छड़ी के
अबे रब कुछ नहीं होता। हाँ? क्यों?
Outside food is not allowed. साले.
हाँ, just said they can.
नीचे रखना है पागल है क्या भाई ऐसे नहीं
Monster
रखना।
trios.
Bro, we can't show in front of this jury and
So guys, we are going to Samad's floor with cans.
Guys, I changed guys. I don't know why. स्कूल से मैं जैसे कॉलेज आऊँ सब गलत हो रहा है मेरे साथ. Especially because of him.
Because of Felix, this guy has changed a lot. Bro is suffering through a mental trauma.
Oh my god. After Megatron.
After Megatron.
KLH में आके मेरा दूसरा ही रूप दिखा. Sorry guys. I'm not Johnny guys. Just be outside. Yo.
क्या है तो
I'm the blogger now.
कैंटीन जाते हैं. चलो.
Guys, चलो एक सिक्योरिटी वाला गुस्सा कर रहा है since I can't record.
We can go canteen.
Tell him to go back home.
चलो गाइस, आज एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एक नया बूथ. गाइस, अंधेरी जगह पे आज चलेंगे. अंधेरी रात, अंधेरी. वो कोई बात नहीं. आज ऐसी जगह एक्सप्लोर कराऊंगा.
फ्री के रेड बुल मिलेगी. सीधा पकड़.
अनबॉक्सिंग.
मत हिला. खत्म है.
होली नहीं ओए भाई साहब, होली नहीं खेल रहे इधर. क्या कर रहे हो आप?
हिल गया. अबे अनबॉक्सिंग तो कर.
Max. Max this time. आज अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे. अरे मैं चाबी लाया यार, गाड़ी की चाबी से.
एक सेकंड.
ये क्या बात हुई? ये चीज पागल है क्या?
भाई यार उसने तो फेंका है.
चलो भाई हो गया यार, उठाओ अपना अपना.
सही में होता करो. Stop recording guys.
Felix is not drinking.
फिलिक्स नहीं पीता है. दो मेरे. हाँ. एक रात को हो जाएगा.
Status update guys. It's currently 2 a.m. in the morning and major refactors and bug fixes are at last done. So this is the final test of us removing the previous data and cleaning up the past, cleaning up the entire database, and then we'll keep an auto clean so that after each new scan the old data has been purged, and then we have final one test to go. So this is the old one and the new one is so now we're just gonna start fixing it. It started evaluating, so I'll just give you an update like what will happen after this and all those things. So yeah.
What? 5:39, 5:40. Shit's done. Project's done. Team's dead, bro. Almost everyone is dead. Entire class is dead. This guy's dead. That guy is dead. This guy is dead. But we're able to finish the project, bro. Good morning, bud. Yeah, we were able to finish it. Welcome to Shadow Tracer. Shows you how fucked you are. Oh, this is just who the fuck?
Early morning Minecraft आने
Minecraft नहीं कोई बड़ा. Shadow Trace, guys. Shadow Trace. You know. I'm gonna write my name here, bro. I don't care. I'm gonna write my name here. My email. And launch the scan, bro. So perform a really, I don't know if I should explain, to be honest. It's gonna perform a really big white search, blah 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 blah. You know, so back-end black magic. What is it? Back-end black magic. Sherlock Holmes on the case. This is the shit we pulled from Anything. Structure. I'm supposed to submit a Google form by 6:30. Apparently, this one's the wrong one. This is like the second Google form they gave. The third one they gave us for some reason.